Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a butterfly. You'll want the colour face down to start off with. I'll begin by folding the paper in half. Unfold and then fold the outside edges in towards the middle. I'll make a new crease with the edges, but this time I'll have them leaving a gap in the middle. So at this point you should have a little strip of white in between the pattern or colour that you've got. Then I'll flip the paper over and rotate. I'll fold this in half. Using the bottom section, I'll fold one of these corners over. I'll unfold this to open up in a squash fold and flatten into shape. Then I'll flip over to the other side and do the same here. Then I'll fold the corner up to the edge. Then I'll unfold. This edge will get folded down, and at the same time you'll need to do a squash fold on the left and right sides, which form the wings. There's a few things left to do. We'll be forming the body of the butterfly, so I'll flip over to the other side and do a mountain fold. I'll carefully fold the wings over on a diagonal angle, tapering from the top and having a wider edge at the bottom. And I'll just observe that fold here and then try to mirror it as much as possible on the other side. Open up the wings and you've got a beautiful butterfly. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.